Struggling to get sales with event-based designs? Follow this simple step-by-step method to create unique shirts that actually sell for holidays, awareness days and trending events. Okay, so step number 1 is, of course, we have to pick an event. So ideally you pick an event that's about 6 to 8 weeks from now. And this time is necessary because your designs need to have some time to rank in the algorithm. So to pick an event, we use an event calendar. And for this workflow, we are going to use Flying Research. So this is Flying Research, and all we have to do is scroll down right here on the left, and then we get the tab Events. Here it says Social Media Holidays and a calendar. So let's first click Social Media Holidays, and we get all the different kinds of holidays, as you can see right here. Basically for every day you get a specific holiday, and the most important holidays are marked with the star right here. So this is May already. Let's scroll down to June, and on June 20 we got Father's Day, and that's about 8 weeks from now, so we pick Father's Day for this example. And as you can see, it's also marked with the star, so it's a really important holiday for t-shirt sellers. When you click on this eye, you get a brief explanation of the holiday, and that could be quite helpful for some unknown events. And you get the social media hashtag right here. Step number 2, we have to analyze the competition. So we do this right on the marketplace on Amazon.com. Make sure you got an American zip code right here and an incognito tab on Chrome. So let's just enter our niche, Father's Day shirt. And of course we get a lot of suggestions for this keyword. There's a really high demand for that. So let's press enter, and as you can see, we got a total of 225,000 products for only this keyword. So of course it's a really big niche, but there's also a really high demand. So if you want to go into a big niche like that, you have to stand out to get some sales. Otherwise your designs will be only like on page 407, for example. And you will also have to use ads. But on the other hand, there's a high chance that if you rank for this keyword, that you will get sales year after year. Step number 3, we have to find subniches and phrases. So now you can either find some subniches right here on Amazon.com, but it will only show you 5 pages right here with Producta, or we can use Flying Research for that. So here we are in the bestsellers tab from Flying Research, and I just entered the keyword Father's Day, United States, t-shirt, and sorting by BSR, and we get a really clean result from the bestsellers from this keyword. Now we are looking for a very specific gift that you could give on Father's Day. This one, for example, is not that specific for Father's Day. You could basically give it as a gift for any occasion. So let's scroll down and see the other results. Yeah, you get basically all the different kinds of niches, because a lot of people use this keyword, even if it's not related to the design. So let's see. This one could be specific to Father's Day. Their text, that's also really nice for Father's Day. And this phrase right here is really popular right now. So let's see the other results. This one says, proud father of a few dumbass kids. Okay, that's not really nice, but it's quite funny. So let's click on more info. Yeah, it's got a quite good BSR and some reviews right here. I don't really like that keyword spamming. Let's do a quick listing check. Okay, let's see. No, seems like that the phrase is not trademarked. If it would be trademarked, you would have this red box all over this phrase, but that's not the case right here. So let's analyze the competition for this phrase. Let's just copy it right here and go to Amazon.com and just paste it right here. And as you can see, there's search volume for that phrase. I forgot kids. Kids shirt. Just click the first one and here we go. Now for this phrase, or for this long tail keyword, we could say we got 6,600 results, as you can see on the second number right here. Now let's take a look at the results. This one is quite a good seller. It's got 72 reviews and it has a quite good BSR. Well, of course, this is not a merch t-shirt, but we are also competing against this one. That's a shirt from our research. Then we got a shirt with the American flag, and we got this design. This looks quite interesting, and you can really see that it really stands out from the search results. So let's see the other shirts. Yeah, these are quite simple. Now you can see a twist right here on the phrase. This design is a bit more complex, and this one is quite similar to the first one that I showed you. But of course we can also do research on other platforms. This is Etsy, for example, and I just entered Father's Day shirt, and here are the results. Well, don't do something like this. this. These ones are quite simple. We got the dad tags again. Now let's scroll up because I saw something. Let's click on this right here. And as you can see, it's an SVG package of Father's Day designs. Now just click on it and take a look. So we got our phrase right here, but then we got some more phrases for Father's Day. And these are all related to the niche. So we got ain't no hood like fatherhood, hashtag dad life. We got best dad ever with this American flag. I would skip this one because it has too many words. And then we got dad, fixer of all things. That's quite nice. What do we have right here? I keep all my dad jokes in a database, or like dad database. So now a subniche of Father's Day would be dad jokes, for example. And these subniches are very specific to the main niche. In our case, it's Father's Day. So to do research for dad jokes, we can use real-time research right here and just enter dad jokes, search. Now it gets all the fresh data from Amazon, like Producta would do, but it's in a way cleaner format. So we also get all the different kinds of t-shirts that are not related, because a lot of people have the keyword dad in their listing and also jokes. Now to collect phrases for the dad jokes niche, I just went into the bestsellers tab right here, and then let's just enter dad jokes and click search. Now let's see. Now this is a relevant t-shirt. I tell dad jokes periodically, but only when I'm in my element. Grills just wanna have fun. This one is a typical dad joke. I'm going outside, so if anyone asks, I'm outstanding. Well, this one is quite funny. And when you take a look at this design, it doesn't look that good. Well, it has quite a good BSR and already 34 reviews, but you could easily create a better design with AI. And we got this design again, or like this phrase again. Step number 4, we collect our phrases. And to collect the phrases, I always like to use Google Sheets. So we got the niche right here, then we got a design ID, and we put the phrase right here. So we got the first phrase right here. Let's copy it and paste it right here. Now we want to give this phrase a little twist. So let's drag this down, and yeah, maybe instead of father we can write dad. Then we can write girls or boys. And of course we can use smart as. We can also do this for boys and for girls. And let's write awesome. So here we go. That's basically what I mean by giving this phrase a little twist. Step number 5, you choose a design style, and you could basically pick any style you want. So I just went to the bestsellers tab of Flying Research, and let's just pick a style that we want. So let's see. Well, of course the design style could be not that specific to the niche. Like this example doesn't make any sense in our niche. Okay, let's see. We got this American style right here. So let's save it. You just click this button that says download, and then we go to Ideogram. So right here in Ideogram we want to convert this image into a prompt, and you do this by clicking this camera icon right here. Then you pick your design and then just click this button that says describe. And then let's copy this prompt and go to ChatGPT. So I got this very simple prompt that says, based on the following prompt, give me a new prompt but for the niche Father's Day and the phrase proud father of a few dumbass kids. Also include dark gray background. And then we just paste in the prompt that we got from Ideogram and click on this button right here. So as you can see, ChatGPT understood our instructions. Now let's copy this prompt and paste it into Ideogram. So we paste it right here. Now the settings are quite perfect, but let's choose the design style, design. Oh, and the magic prompt off. So the design generation is private, 4x5 format. We got the model 3.0. We get 4 images and the default render speed. So let's just click generate. And here we go, let's click this. This is great. Proud father of a few dumbass kids. Father's Day edition. This one looks already quite nice. So let's see this one. Okay, it's also quite good. Let's see this one. It's got this black shadow around it, but that's not that bad. Well, the advantage of this is you could use this design on any color. Let's see the last one. Yeah, this one is great. Yeah, well, basically you could use any of these, and there are no spelling mistakes whatsoever. So let's just pick the first one. So you click on download right here, and we continue with step number 7. We have to edit these designs. So we first remove the background, and we do this with pixelcut.ai. So you just drag and drop your image right here, let it load for a few seconds, and here we go, it's done. You can click on this background right here to see if the background was properly removed, but it looks really clean. So you set it on the checkerboard again. And what I also like about this design, the font is really big and bold. and it's really easy to read. And it's in this tall rectangle shape, so that's basically perfect. So just click download right here on the top right. And here we go. Now we also have to upscale this image, and you can do this for free with this app that's called Upscale. So you just drag and drop your image right here, set it to digital art, image scale 6 times, and then just click upscale and let it load, and here we go. Now we got the upscaled image right here. Let's see the design properties. So we got 16.8 megabytes, and we are a bit bigger than the merge format recommends, but you could already upload this design on Amazon Merge. Now I like to bring these upscaled images to the merge format, and for one design we can just do it with Affinity Designer, for example. Just set it to the merge format right here, create a new artboard, and this is basically the printable area from Amazon Merge. So we just drag and drop our image right here. And as you can see, it's a bit too big. Let's make it a bit smaller. Let's center it. Yeah, make it quite big and center it. Yeah, I would leave some space right here on the top and at the bottom, like this. Then you just export it, click export, and here we go. Now let's check the design properties. Yeah, we got the merge format right here, and we are down to about 9 megabytes. So we don't even have to compress this image. Now your design is ready for upload. Now we only did this for this first phrase right here, but you can do the same process for the other phrases. For example, let's just copy these phrases, copy them, you go to ChatGPT, and then you just enter the follow-up question or the follow-up prompt. Now do this for these phrases, and then you just paste in the phrases and click this button, and you get your prompts in the same style but for the other phrases. Now let's copy the second one, for example. You go to Ideogram, then we just have to paste the prompt right here, leave it like that, and just click generate, and boom, there we go. Proud father of a few dumbass girls. And it added Girls Edition Father's Day. That's funny. Let's check the other ones. This one is also good, this one is good, and that's also good. Basically you can use any of these. And there are no spelling mistakes whatsoever. That's really amazing. So now you would just apply step 7 again. Now if you want to know how to create shirts for trends that are hot and fresh right now, then click on this video right here.